Okay, good day, viewers. So, our topic this day is mean, variance, and standard deviation of a discrete random variable. Okay, so we have a formula for the mean. Mean or mu is the sum or summation of x times the probability of x. And that is the formula of the mean. And for the formula of the variance, sigma squared, then equals the summation of x squared times the probability of x minus the mean then squared. That is for the variance. And for the standard deviation, the square root of x squared, summation of x squared times probability of uh, x squared probability of x minus mean squared, and that is for the standard deviation. Okay, so example number one: when three coins are tossed, the probability distribution for the random variable x representing the number of heads that occur is given below. Compute the mean, variance, and standard deviation of the probability distribution. Okay, so this is our table. We have 5 columns. Okay, so um, since we compute the mean, so understood the standard deviation, so this way you construct 5 columns. The first columns, the number of heads. This is the possible values, and you can see this in the tree diagram. So the 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, then then the the second column is the probability of x. So 1 over 8 meaning one outcomes with 0 head. 3/8 meaning 3 outcomes with 1 head. Then the third 3/8, 3 outcomes with 2 heads. 2 heads. Okay, last is 1/8, 1 outcomes with 3 heads. So that is the total of the probability, it should be equals to 1. Okay, so the third column, the x, the random variable x, times the probability of x. Okay, 0 times 1/8 equals 0. 1 times 3/8 equals 3/8. 2 times 3/8 equals 6/8. And 3 times 1/8 equals 3/8. And the sum of the x times probability of x equals 1.5. Okay, the next column you have to square round variable x. First 0 squared is, okay, so then 3 squared is 9. Then the last column, the x squared times the probability of x. Okay, so um, 0 times 1/8, that is the answer is 0. And the 1 times probability of x, that is 3/8. The answer is 3/8. Then 4 times the probability of x, that is 3/8. So the answer is 12/8. And 9 times the 1/8, and that is 9/8. Then the sum of x squared times sum product rather equals 3. So the mean is equals to summation of x times probability of x is 1.5. Then the variance, the sigma squared, equals the summation of x squared times the probability of x minus the mean squared, and substitute that is uh, Okay, so that is 3 minus 1.5, the mean squared. And the answer is 0.75. Okay, so to compute the standard deviation is simply square root this answer, 0.75. So the sigma standard deviation, the square root of 0.75 equals 0.85.